Hey guys, we're back with another video today, and today we're going to be watching giant animals caught on video.
Sunfish.
That's a sunfish? What the fuck? What are they originally supposed to look like?
Look at the size of this ant, guys.
Ant.
That is crazy.
That's an ant.
Look at how massive this ant is compared to my hand. I am not even gonna think of how painful a bite from this ant would be.
This elephant is basically
What
a
the
hairless
fuck?
mammoth.
That's... what the fuck? That's an ant. I thought this was supposed to show giant animals. Oh, it's just the length of this one crazy? Oh, okay, nice. That dog is fucking huge. Holy shit.
Big Brother Bear! Big Brother Bear's so tall! Oh.
A
Down.
giant squid makes a rare appearance in front of tourists.
See, I can't see it to scale. Like, I want to see it, like, compared to others. Does it look big to me? I don't know. Fucking... it can be a foot tall and I wouldn't know. I've seen a bigger crab than that. I think coconut crabs are bigger.
The biggest bat in the
Okay, now that's
right
huge.
here, a giant fruit bat from Southeast Asia.
A giant salamander
Coronavirus.
and released in a Chinese river.
A salamander. Wow. I'm pretty sure I've seen a bigger one.
A girl catches a 1,000-pound bluefin tuna.
Whoa. Whoa, wait, what? They grow that big? 1,000 pounds. Whoa.
The Stellar sea eagle is the largest eagle species in the world.
Oh wow, that is bigger than her. Well, wingspan included.
Here is up close
Fuck.
footage of the largest shark ever filmed.
Yeah, but how am I supposed to know how big it is? Oh. I think Megalodon was 50 foot, right? Down. Okay, bugs need to stop growing big, man. What the fuck? Is that an orange?
This octopus grows out to be extremely
Yeah. That's an octopus. Fuck off, man. Aren't they like deadly too? When they kill prey, they stop you from breathing.
There's nothing wrong with it, Cian. It's just a giant.
Oh, yuck! A moth!
The leatherback sea turtle is the largest
Oh,
of
wow.
all living turtles.
That is a bigger turtle, my friend. What the fuck is the size of that thing? What the hell?
That right there is a massive fish. This thing is next level. There he is. He's got it. Look at the size of that fish.
Whoa.
I wonder what they have been feeding this massive cow.
Are those baby cows or real? Oh, wow. They're actual cows. What the fuck is the size difference? Steroids.
See the width of that tile?
Nope, I've seen a bigger crocodile. 80 feet?
Yeah, when you see a
80
bigger
feet.
crocodile,
I don't remember where it was.
you'll like to see it. Physique is probably, compared to a 4.5 metre male crocodile, 3 times the body weight.
I've seen a documentary on bigger crocodiles, so I'm not gonna accept this.
Here
not
is
the
footage
biggest.
recorded of New Zealand's giant weta.
Ew, man. That is just foul. Kill it.
There's a big cockroach in the lagoon. Come on.
Cockroach? That... Oh! I'm gonna punch it. Yuck! Oh, that just gave me shivers, man. I don't even want to put my feet on the floor anymore. The cockroach is like What the fuck was that? I like this dog. It's cool. It's
Here
gonna
is
kill a
footage
cop.
recorded of the Goliath beetle.
Okay, stop showing me bugs, man. I feel nauseous. That's disgusting, man. Put that shit away. It's a jellyfish. Mayonnaise. Ew. Wow, you fat thing. Thick! That's a thick ass boy.
The largest known leg span of any arthropod. Freshwater fish.
I've seen those before. Ah, a stingray. I think I've seen one on River Monsters. I think this is where this clip is from, right?
Look at this. Giant starfish. Look at this spike.
Wow.
This is no ordinary bull elk.
I don't get it. Why it's not regular? Why is it not regular, bitch? Why are you flipping a turtle over?
Wow.
This is the largest recorded horn spread on a steer.
Try making it walk through a door. It'd literally die. Which is a jellyfish.
A hawk got size of their legs. And then that big in 2010.
How many people could that feed, bro? Like
Feed all boys.
2 Americans?
Sam is currently the world's tallest donkey, measuring 155 centimeters tall.
Okay. So isn't it just a horse at that point?
I would not mess with this kangaroo.
Why is that? How big is this kangaroo?
Kangaroo in front of man's head. Oh gee.
Fight it, Grandma.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
How big is it? I can't tell. It looks like a normal sized kangaroo. It's smaller than a car. What is this? Fucking whale? Oh, I've seen this. Bullshit. It's not real. Apparently, I think it's fake. Because they tried to find it again and they couldn't. Ew, bro. I feel so nauseous seeing these things. What the fuck is this?
Land species
I can't
in the
watch that. I
world.
can't watch that, man. I can't watch that. What is this?
Here is footage of the largest clam species
Oh,
in
clam.
the world.
I never seen a big clam. Wow. That's interesting. Actually.
A huge lobster effortlessly takes out a coconut crab.
A huge lobster takes out a coconut crab? You mean a coconut crab takes out a lobster?
Lobster effortlessly takes out a coconut crab.
That goose, man. Holy moly.
A student discovers a giant salamander.
That was bigger than the last one.
Here is footage recorded
Of
a
a
huge
worm?
earthworm.
What the fuck? This looks like a baby snake. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Some of them were disgusting and creepy, bro. But I'll fuck all the insects, but they shouldn't be growing that big. I hate them, bro. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.